In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your coil boot on your Chevy HHR. It's located on top of the engine. Using a T30 Torx bit, we're going to remove this bolt, as is broken, but yours you'll have to remove the bushing. So once you get that bolt out, it should free up this part of the engine cover. But as you can see, our grommet is broken. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to loosen up this hose clamp. Once it's loose, we're going to remove our hose from our engine cover and lift it up, and you're going to see a connector under here. On the very top here, you're going to push down, and then you're going to be able to get the connector disconnected. Like that, set that off to the side. Using a 6mm socket, we're going to loosen up this hose clamp. I'm near the windshield washer reservoir. We're going to disconnect this breathing hose. Once it's loose enough, you're going to pull that off, and now we can remove this. Pick this up and remove it. There's two bushings underneath that you have to detach from the engine. Right here and right here. You're going to use a 10mm socket, and we're going to take out this bolt for the coil. We're going to unplug our coil, push down on that, pull it, set that aside, and remove your coil. We're going to remove our boot, like that. Now we're going to put this in. We're going to put our spring in the boot, and we're going to put our boot on. It should lock in place. Everything's ready to go. Put some dielectric grease on the tip, drop it down, and push it down. Now you can start your bolt. We're going to torque this to 89 inch-pounds. Make sure you hear that click. The process is the same for all of them. We're going to match up these holes for this bracket in the back and place our engine cover back on. It's easier if you slide your hose on first, line up your oil filler, and then line up the two back grommets. Once you're lined up, push down. And now while we're on this side, we're going to put this hose on. Tighten up your hose clamp in the back to about wrist tight. Make sure it doesn't come off. Now we're going to plug in our mass airflow sensor. Make sure you hear that click. And now we're going to tighten up this hose. Once that's tight, just check, and now we're going to put our bolt in over here. Our bolt and bushing is broken, so I'm just going to do something else. Maybe you had to put your bolt in first to make all this work, but for us, we're going to do it this way. And then you should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.